Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock the secret achievement in the new hide and seek party in Heartopia that called Mysterious Grimkins Home. This achievement is actually super simple, but a lot of players miss it. Here's how and here's what you need to do. First, start by hosting a hide and seek party in your own house. Just tap on the party and then just tap on throw a party, and then in here just choose the hide and seek, and then in here you can just throw a party and then invite your friends and play the match like usual. And you don't need any special settings for the game itself. But now here's the important part. After the hide and seek party ends, your friends must give your party a like. Make sure they tap the thumbs up for or like emoji on your party, and you need to collect a total of 200 likes from your hide and seek parties. And once you reach 200 likes overall, this secret achievement, this mysterious Grimkins homes, will automatically unlock. And so keep hosting and keep inviting friends, and don't forget to ask for those likes. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.